Okay. Page 5, question 2 of the workbook. So, we're given a roller coaster, and we must find its velocity at the top of the loop. So first we'll start off by drawing ourselves a little diagram here. We know that this is 70 meters. We'll draw our cart. This is our cart. Right there. We know that we go down, and we have a loop right here. And so we need to find velocity at the top of the loop. And we know that height 2 is as well 30 meters. So let's write our givens. So we know V1 equals to 0 meters per second. And our height, our initial height, 70 meters. And the loop height as well, 30 meters. And we're trying to find velocity. So to start, we know that E total 1 is equal to E total 2. And then we can go on and expand that. So E total 1 is the same thing as saying EG1 plus EK1 is equal to EG2 plus EK2. From there we can keep expanding, so 1/2 mass velocity squared plus, we can say EG1 equals 1/2 mv squared now. And as you guys can see in this specific question, we don't have a mass. We don't have a mass, and luckily we don't need a mass. What we can do here is we can simply cross out all the mass that has to relate this equation. Over here, since our velocity is 1 is equal to 0 millimeters per second, we can just completely cross that out and zero it. So now we're gonna have, or we're gonna be left with AG H1 is equal to 1/2 V2 squared plus AGH2. Okay, so from there we can sub in our values now. We know that AG is just equal to 9.81 meters per second squared, and our height is 7, and we know that our height is 70 meters. So from there, and then we're trying to find V2, so we'll leave this way. And again, we can add 9.81 meters per second by 30 meters, multiplied by 30 meters. From there, we'll calculate. So 9.81 meters times 70 is equal to 686.7, and that's going to be equal to 1/2 V2 squared. And then we can go on and calculate this as well. So we'll be left with, and that's plus 294.3. Next, we'll take 294.3, bring it over here, and we're going to subtract. So that's going to turn out to be 392.4. And that's going to be equal to 1/2 V2 squared. From there, turn it square root 392.4. 392.4. The square root comes from this. And we must multiply it by 2 as we're bringing the 1/2 to the side. So we need to multiply this as well by 2. So all of this is what equals V2. V2, in the end, is going to be equal to square root of 784.3 And so V2 will be equal to 28.014 meters per second. And we can also give our therefore statement, or sorry, then we can also say that that's approximately equal to 28 meters per second. And so we can give our therefore statement on the side right here. We can say that the velocity of the roller coaster is 28 meters per second at the top of the loop. And there you go, we've just calculated the velocity of a loop.